Aloha, it's Pastor Chris, and Pastor Chris wanted to address a video about the U-punch that's seen in traditional systems as well as in Kempo. So I'm going to borrow Chris here for a moment. He's going to do a two-handed grab from the front. So in American Kempo, we see the U-punch in short form 3. As was previously shown in the previous video by Professor DeValle, in this particular technique, we are going to step in. The U-punch is often taught both strikes at the same time. In this particular case, my right hand is going to go down and into the bladder to bring the head forward for what we could call a smothering punch, or just a regular two-knuckle punch or horizontal punch. And then we continue the technique. In other words, if he continues to grab, as I step in, I'm going to drop his height and his depth to fit my other weapon. That is the main application in American Kempo. I know in the previous video, Professor DeValle showed the top punch striking first and then the bottom. That really depends on height difference. If Chris comes back here and I grab him, we'll play an experiment here. So go ahead and step forward. So try top punch first. So it's going to lean me back, then lean me forward.
I gotta hit you again.
Yeah, either hit me again, or he's got to keep this as a check.
Yeah.
So that I don't headbutt. Versus if he goes low first, pop, pop. Depending on the angle by which he strikes, right? If he's just going straight back, just do it like a straight uppercut, push me back. Notice what that does to my head, it brings it forward. Versus if he goes down and in, what we call a chopping punch. My akode goes down and out, versus just straight out, which then allows him to bring the smothering punch up and over. So one thing that if you do a U-punch, consider the angle and the effect of the punch. Whether you need to go straight horizontal or whether you're going down and in. Anyway, some thoughts about the U-punch. Aloha and mahalo.